Hello Ed, I just wanted to go over some things with you here with your website. This of course is the old site, and this is what I did to it. I was looking at the menu structure here, and I noticed how it was pushing the page down because you had so many things to do. And then if you go on for instance board here, you had several links, and I didn't know to click on these at first, and then I found out that they were actually other pages. So what I did to deal with this issue is I installed Subpage drop downs, and so now if you go to board, you'll see that you get a nice little hover here. Now if you click on board, you'll still have the same menu structure that you had before, and if you click on the picture, it'll take you there. But it'll take you there also if you go down and you hover over the button and click the same, the name will take you to the corresponding page. So that's what I did as far as the menu structures go. You can see under training you had several sub pages there, and so that's how I took care of that, so we could have this nice simple menu that's easy to navigate. The other thing that I added into the site was social sharing. If you go onto these different pages, you'll see at the bottom here we could share, we could like it on Facebook, or the several different social network platforms that people could share these pages with. So that's important as well. As far as your calendar and everything, I brought that in. That's just your Google Calendar. And since you had sent me an email talking about the store, I thought that we'll go ahead and do something different until I invest a lot of time into installing the e-commerce store. I saw something like you wanted, so I wasn't going to bother trying to bring over your store. I was just going to bring it in an iframe and display it here. So anyway, you can look over the site. Right now it's at a1websitepro.net. There might be a few link structures that are not totally right, but I wanted to get this up here so you could check on it. For instance, if you go to board, and if you click on the link, one of these links here, it'll take you to my local host, and you can see that down in the bottom right here. Whenever I hover over, you can see local host. That means it's on my local machine. Now it's uploaded to the internet as well, but it's probably gonna give you an error page because you don't have it on your local machine. But I'll go ahead and now change those, hopefully before you get a chance to look at this video. I put this contact form in here. It's just a simple way for people to contact you whenever they are on your site. I don't know what you think about that, but I know that you had email me beside the pictures on your old site. Email me. So this is just a simple way for them to contact you. I thought about having the enrollment form, but the other thing that I was unaware of is that you had several different training programs. I thought it was mainly focused on schools. So, but we have these all in place now, and like I said, whenever you're on these pages, you probably don't want to click these links, but you can click them from the hover. Go ahead and click them from the hover, and they'll take you to the pages that you can that you can check out. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, and this is a pretty cool project. Thank you for using us.